Good morning. So I have a project today. I have a lot of hiking stick medallions, and I'm going to lay those out here in a minute, that I need to add to my walking stick. So this is my original hiking stick, walking stick, and all the medallions. Let's see, I don't have any medallions up here because this is where obviously I hold the walking stick. So these are all my medallions that I've collected over the years. And I ran out of room. Obviously, I didn't want to put them too far down in case I get the walking stick hung on a bush or a limb or something and it'd pull them off. I have lost, well, I haven't lost it. It came off, which I need to go get it because it's laying in my, right inside my door. But this one needs to be repaired. And basically, this stick has been retired. I don't ever hardly walk with it unless I'm just going a short distance because I don't want to lose any of them. That one might have been right there because there's a blank right there. But this is my new walking stick. And I've already started it, obviously. But I still have a long ways to go. But that's going to change today because I'm going to add these and we'll see. And I try to put them as close as I can to each other. And I don't put them in any type of order because I can't remember when I was there or whatever. And I only do it every so often, obviously, because number one, it takes some time. Number two, it takes some tools. So some of them just have little tacks. Some of them have little nails. Some of them I have actually had to buy more nails because these sticks are really hard wood. And I end up bending, like this one. Let's see. This one right here. It ends up getting bent. The nails get bent and destroyed. And so it's kind of a time, here's another one that's bent. So sometimes it is a pretty drawn out process to get them on here. So I have to, dedicate some time to, this one's coming off, to put them on. Now, sometimes I have actually used my drill, and it's really, really small drill bit, and to start the pilot hole and then go ahead and nail the rest of it in with the hammer. And there's so little that I hold the nail with some needle nose and then a hammer. So let's look at all the ones that I have and then I'll start putting them on. Okay, I've got Salinas, Pueblo, I can't remember how you say that, Capulin? Capulin. This is the one that fell off, Joshua Tree. Craters of the Moon. Oh, that's Idaho. Wow. That's an old one. That one must have been lost in the Karchner Caverns. New Mexico State. What is this one? Just New Mexico. Huh. This is one I just got. It's at Corpus Christi. That's the Lexington. Sugar Creek Canyon. Choke Canyon just was there. This is a National Parks geek. Padre Island, got that one. Oregon Pipe, Longhorn, and Goose Island. So I'll put all these on. Okay, I was just filming along and had a wrong setting on the camera. So anyway, we're going to try to put this one on right here. This isn't the easiest thing to do at all. See, all it does is bend the nails. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Does not go as far down. Doesn't help that I can't see either. That is a problem. My eyes are watering. Yay, that worked. Nice. All right, see, this one has the sticky on the back. All right, let's find a place for it. Oh, that one curved good. All right, I'm gonna get all these on here and I'll be back and show you the finished product. You know, sometimes your puppy dog just wants you and she comes and gets right in the middle of the project. Isn't that right, Sammy? Did you just come in and get in the middle of the project? Huh? She says, you're not paying attention to me. You're not paying attention to me. Huh? You know what? I'm right in the middle of the project, baby girl. Yeah. It involves nails and... What is it? What do you need? What is it? What do you need? Okay. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. She's like, I'm not going anywhere. All right. Let's get up. Let's get up. Oh, let's get up. She says, no, Mama. And what is it? You need something? Let's go outside. Good girl. All right. She says, you need to pay attention to me. Oh, you're going to tell me about it too? You're going to tell me about it too? What do I have? 4 more left? 4 more. Okay, I have finished. So where did I start? Let's see, right here. So I installed all these. I've noticed that they're getting bigger and bigger and bigger, the medallions. And oh, that one's not gonna stay. And so I'm having some gaps, but I was able to put the Lexington right there, so that was good. I need some small ones right there. But they're on. This is the one, yeah, that one. They made them so thick that you can't bend them. I've had to bend this one several times, which is cracking the... But they made this out of real heavy metal. And some of these other ones are real thin, and you can bend them pretty easy with your fingers. But not that one. I'll have to get a different type of nail, longer for that one. Let's see if I can hammer it. Yeah, not much, but... All right. It's fun. That one's getting... I only have this much room left. Let's see. Which I'll probably stop it to about right there, so... Not much left. And then I'll have to get another stick. It's never ending. But fun hobby, that's for sure. Fun collection. And this one I've got to fix too. Need a longer nail. See if I have any. And then I keep these in case I need. Let's see if this will work. Nope. So I need a lot longer than that. All right. Hardware store visit.